Gini mas, hidup itu memang harus mengalir. Ya, yeah, that's right. Hidup itu pedas. Ya, hidup pedas. Hidup itu hard. Life is hard. Life is difficult. Life is haha. Yes, life is like that. It's not easy. Life is not easy to swallow. That's right. Yes, life is hard. Now what? So what? Give up? Is that our answer? No. No, my friend, no. We have to get up. We have to wake up. We have to stand up and fight. Life is not over yet. Our fight is not over. Let's fight. Don't give up. Never. You see this? You eat this alone, one, maybe no problem. But if you eat this, many of this, you will end up in the hospital, right? So, use this wisely. What I mean? Combine this with your other capabilities. By combining all your effort, all your potential, all you have, what will happen? Boom! You are the man. You become the man. So never give up. Let's learn from this. We have to learn from anything. We have to learn from nature. We have to learn from people. There are so many ways to educate ourselves. There are so many sources. Just we have to use it. Use our resource to get another resource from other people. Learning. Itu mas. Ini adalah cabai atau lombok. Inilah seperti kehidupan kita, pedas, tidak enak. Tapi coba, kalau kita memasukkan kapabilitas kita masukkan potensial kita masukkan intelektual kita masukkan inspirasi, kita masukkan segala potensi kita. Sebagaimana kita memasukkan bawang, sebagaimana kita masukkan merica, kita masukkan garam, apa yang terjadi mas? Dari pedasnya kehidupan menjadi sedapnya kehidupan. Ya toh?